हमेशा सिखाते रहते हैं। तो क्या आपके सामने ऐसे कभी कोई सिचुएशंस आता है जहाँ पेरेंट्स आके आपसे बोलते हो कि मैम प्लीज हेल्प करिए, एंड बीइंग यू एज ए मदर, डू यू फेस द सेम सिचुएशन विद योर ओन किड्स एंड हाउ डू यू हैंडल इट एज ए मदर, और एज ए यू टेक अ रोल एज ए ऑफ a teacher, or how you actually handle such scenarios?
It's a very tough question. See, as I told you, parenting का जो tip रहता है, I usually don't give any parenting tip because it all depends upon how your house is, right?
राइट, सो
Parenting
एक
थोड़े
टिप
लोगों
यहाँ
के
पर है,
लिए
नहीं एक टिप रजनी जी ने बहुत अच्छा दिया, दो शी सेड शी डजंट गिव एनी पेरेंटिंग टिप, बट शी सेड वन स्टेटमेंट कि पेरेंटिंग वही होती है जैसा आपका घर है, सो पेरेंटिंग हैपेंस हाउ योर हाउस इज। इसी में सारे सवाल का आपको शायद जवाब अब देखते हैं।
क्योंकि मेरे घर में there is no gender bias. It's not that this is meant for the mother and this is meant for the father, or being a man, my husband doesn't enter the kitchen, nothing like that. And I have two boys, they're two teenage. So usually I involve them in cooking and they participate very nicely, right? And the encouragement behind that is I take a video and post it in our family, and it's encouraged very well, so they get motivated. That's what I was telling you कि parenting का tip जो रहता है वो आपके घर का माहौल के हिसाब से होता है. You can't expect children, if you have a son, you said you have two girls, right? If you have a son and your husband doesn't do any kitchen course, then you can't expect them to do it because they'll definitely retaliate, right? So anything should not be taught to a child as a teaching. Instead, involve them. मेरा बेसिक प्रिंसिपल यही है, मैं किसी से भी यही बोलती हूँ, ऐसा मत एक्सपेक्ट करो कि मैं बुक्स रीड नहीं करती और मेरा बच्चा पढ़ना चाहिए, रीडिंग हैबिट डेवलप करना चाहिए. इट डजंट हैपन. एनीथिंग दैट यू डू, you join with them, you participate with them, then only you can inculcate any habit. I can't say I don't do yoga, but I want my child to do yoga, so you do yoga for 1 hour and ma'am please give me a tip to encourage that. It doesn't happen. So whatever you want your child to learn, you involve with them, then things will be easier.
So this is about how to make them disciplined. How about something which they want to do, like because of the effect of the phone or because of the more time spent on the technological things, now they want to spend more time on maybe Facebook. Does your child also does this? मतलब ऐसे कुछ करते हैं जहाँ?
This is another very important question that you asked, and any such thing cannot be brought into action within overnight, right? I had my control on my children from very long back, so they don't go Facebook or, I mean both. I think my elder son has a Facebook account, but my younger doesn't. I still didn't allow him to have an account on Facebook, and it's been very strictly told that till 18 years he won't be allowed to do so. So he didn't create any fuss there. That's what I said. Anything from the beginning, if you have a control on them, monitoring what do they do, and you are been telling them, not I don't say advising, if you've been sharing with them what are the pros and cons of having such a Facebook account at an early stage, they don't jump into. And I have always given him, after so and so age you are free to do this, after a particular age you are free to do that. So he has understood, and so I don't have any problem regarding that.
So here another suggestion, or you can say guideline, what you have to do, what we all as a parent are supposed to do is involve ourselves. Don't instruct them, but guide them, and make
guide
sure
them also, not in a that professional way, or अब बैठो मैं अब तुमको आधा घंटा का महाभारत सुनाऊंगी और इससे तुमको क्या मिल रहा है, क्या, ऐसा नहीं कि when you read, even when you read a newspaper together, you can show them an article wherein a child or below 15 years or who has a Facebook account has gone through some bullying types, media bullying or social bullying, whatever you call it. It becomes a lesson. So you need not do it, in that, what I should say, a design technical term, and then you do it. In any informal talk, you can share that.
Sharing
so
information.
Exactly. So what is needed at particular age should be told in a very informal way.
So not as a strict rules to be followed, but make your place as in that ki wo log
What
dekh
happens
ke
when you make a rule is they will definitely find a way to, you know,
break it,
what do you say,
break
not to
it.
do it, to break it.
True.
So better don't make a rule.
Right. Don't make a rule, but make them understand that why certain things to be done or not to be done. Right. So this
Exactly.
is how Rajni has been handling her kids, and I'm pretty sure the kids whomever she is tutoring, because she is a home tutor as well. She takes special classes for the children as well. So the whomsoever she's tutoring, they are really blessed, because once a right parent is also a or a right teacher is like more than a god. भगवान से ज्यादा होता है, क्योंकि अगर जो सही रास्ते पे चलना सीख लेते हैं वो पहुंचेंगे ही पहुंचेंगे, भले ही थोड़ा लेट, भले ही थोड़ा इधर उधर गिरते गिराते, पर उनको उठने की आदत होती होगी और आदत हो जाती है. तो थैंक यू रजनी फॉर शेयरिंग दिस ट्रिप. लेट मी कम बैक विथ यू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.